Good afternoon, all of you. We will start from the basic part of Microsoft Excel and what is Microsoft Excel, why we use the Microsoft Excel, that is the use of Microsoft Excel. First, introduction of the Microsoft Excel. Excel is a computer program used to create electronic spreadsheet. It's been that you can create the multiple Excel sheet in a one workbook. Within an Excel file, you can create your chart, your pivot table, your filter. There are lots of lots of calculation is available in the Excel. Excel is a large spreadsheet. You can allow to use the storage of any data. You can use the Excel. Excel is a basically part of Microsoft Office program. It means that you can use lots of Excel functionality use all by Excel. Overview of the Excel file. Basically, this is a screen of the Excel file. Here, you can see here, there are lots of cell. Cell, it's mean that what? Combination of row and column, it's called cell. If we click on the B6, it's called B number of column, 6 number of row. If we click on D14, it means that D number of column, 14 number of row. This is called as a cell. In a one Excel file, there are total by default 3 Excel sheet. Sheet number 1, sheet number 2, sheet number 3. 3 Excel file is available. Cell is a combination of column and row. Whenever you click at that point, the cell number is B6. Whenever click on D14, the cell number is D number 14. Overview of the Excel file. What is the overview of Excel file? This is called the active cell number. This is called formula bar. Active cell number, it means that what? My click position is D8. The active cell name is D8. Here is my formula bar. Whenever I click any functionality in the formula bar, you can click here and written down the any formula. It is in formula bar. Format menu. Format menu, it means that what? If I want to formatting any cell, formatting it means that we change the color, we change the bold, italic, underline, we change the font size also. Then we will use this command. This is formula bar. View menu. View menu, it means that there are different menus available in the Excel. File menu, edit menu, view menu, insert menu, format, tools, data, video. And this is the command part. Whenever I entering the formula in the formula bar, there are basic function. Whenever I start with the Excel also accept the mathematical formula. This is plus, minus, divide, multiply. All the functionalities except by the Excel. Whenever we sum the value, we can use the sigma function also. Whenever I'm entering the formula, it will be covered into the formula bar. You can look here. Whenever I write down B2 plus B3, it means that B2, B3, this is addition of formula. You can use subtraction of formula. This is minus. If the divided formula, you can use divide. If multiply this formula, you can use the multiply function. You can use the any function in Excel that is called mathematical function. This is not a particular Excel function. Whenever I'm entering the data in Excel, we will select the any range of value. This is called the entering of data value. We select all the value. This is entering of the value. When we sorting of the data at that time, ascending sorting and descending sorting is available, A to Z and Z to A. This is available from your side. This is ascending sorting and the descending sorting. This is the sorting value is available. Now, whenever I'm finding with any value, it means that we can control F to find the any value. We will for entering the data, control F, it means that find. If we will replace the any data, we can replace. This is all are the theoretical part. When we use the practical part, can we do? Yes, now we go for the practical part. Here my Excel file. Now you can see here, this is my Excel file. This is column number, active cell number A1. If my putting this cursor is here, this is L18. If I'm putting my cursor is here, this is called E25. If I'm putting my cursor is here, this is J10. You can see here, this is a by default value we can see here. Default cell number is sheet number 1. This is our sheet. Whenever this is called cell B7. How it is D7? D is our column, 7 is our row number value. This is called D7. This is all are the tab. We will use this tab: file tab, home tab, insert tab, page layout, formula, date, review, view. This is all are the tab. We will use this tab. Now, this is called formula bar. Whenever writing any formula, equal to is coming, at that time it called the formula bar. Now, sometime, some Excel file, formula bar is not available at that time, view formula bar is disabled, then look at this, formula bar is not available. If we click on the formula bar is available. This is called the formula bar. Okay, then after go for the next part. This is very basic part. Now, here we will write down two numbers. This is, we can use the addition and subtraction value. This is number 1, 4, number 2, 5. If we will add the any value at that time, what can we do? Equal to this value plus 4 plus this value is 5. This value is 9. This is called sum of the value. This is also called addition of two values. Add of two values. If we will use subtraction of two values, we will use this value minus this value. This is called subtraction of value. Divide this value equal to, it's been that formula, it's a start. This value divided this value. This is called division. Multiplication, it's been that what? This value multiply by this value. It is called multiplication of the value. This is called addition. This is called subtraction. This is called division. This is called multiplication. This is a multiply of two values. Now you can see here, when we select the number 1, select how to select this value and select this value using of mouse click event. You can see here, now you can see here, this is the average value, this is a count value, this is a sum value. Now you can see here in a below tab also, and you can directly add subtraction, division, or multiplication of this value. This is called multiply, division, subtraction, and addition. If I want to border this value, then border, all the border command. If I put it this value, add some row, Then right click and insert some row. Now border of to this value also. This is border, and this is, for example, answer this value. We will answer this value: addition, subtraction, multiplication. Why we use the equal to sign? Equal to, it means that formula is coming in your file. Any formula starting in the Excel file always coming in the equal to sign. If the sign is plus also, then also formula is starting. If the sign is equal to also, equal to, I write down S, all the Excel formula is coming. If I write down plus, then S, then all the Excel formula is also coming. This is called formula of the Excel: addition, subtraction, division. Now, we will select this value. If I am selecting this value and any color formatting, we'll use any color formatting. Now we can use this. We want to only select first and second values, first and second value. Then what can we do? Bold, italic, underline. You can see here, this is effect only first and second value, not called for the another value. Now the size, format size will be changed, then size will be also changed. Here will be size will be changed. Size also will be changed. You can change your size, you can change your format, you can change here. You can do anything with your formatting. This is called the Excel of the file. Now we will find and replace the any value with using of find and replace command. Find and replace command is not only used for one file, this is used for another file also. For example, we will use this file Control F. Control F is a find and replace. Control F. We can use Control F command. This is find and replace command. Find and replace command. This is finding, replacing any value. Now, finding and replace any value, you can use this find what if I want to find the 5. If it is find, yes, this is 5 value. If I want to find the value is 4, this is 4 value. If I finding the 5, this is 5 value. If I finding the 4, this is 4 value. This is called 4 and 5. Whatever I find it this value, this is find this value. Replace, if I want to replace this value, if I want to replace this value, we can replace this value. This is find value. If I replace all this value, you can see here 14 and 5, we can replace this value. This is called find and replace command in the Excel. This is a very basic part in the Excel. You can only for using of how to use Excel, what is a cell. Then the question is that how many cell is available in the Excel. You can go for the control down arrow key and total number of row is 104856. Control up arrow key, control right arrow key, then go for the last number of column. This is XFD. Control down arrow key. This is also called as last number of row, last number of column. You can go there. Okay. Control up, control down arrow key, control up arrow key. This is, you can go the anywhere in the Excel. This is called as shortcut key of the Excel. We can go for some shortcut key: control up, control down, control right, control left. This is last number of column, this is last number of row. If I'm using this formula, For example, color is this, then background is this one, then go for the bold, italic, underline. Font size is change. If I'm putting this formatting all over the cell, then we can use the format painter, and do this one. You can see here, same formatting will be applicable on the all other textual data also. This is called format of the painter. This is called formatting part of the painter. Now, go for the next command. This is what I discussed with it. If, how do I know which formula is used? You can see here this formula. And if I press the F1, this is help of the Excel. You can see here help of the Excel. Whenever I'm pressing F1, this is a help of the Excel command. For example, I did not know about the sum function. We'll write down sum. This is sum function. All the help is available here. So you can easily show the sum function, sum file, some data is here. We will press the F2. F2, it's mean that we will check the formula part. F2, F2, this formula. And you can see here the change of which one formula you can use, change the color of formatting will also be changed. This is called as formula part of the Excel. Okay. Now, if I'm go for the next command, here's the, you can see here number 1, number 2, select this value number 1 and number 2, the average, count and sum function. This is called. Now we will use not add the value is plus sign, we can add this value. Now we will sum of this function is a sigma symbol. This is a auto sum value. Auto sum value, it means that what we can directly addition of this value. Now click here, click the file home tab and auto sum value. We cannot auto sum this value, we can this value auto sum b1 and b2, then enter this value. Now you can see here the enter value is 19. b1 b2 to 19 value we will added this file. We will call 19 this value, right? Now go for the file save as this PC, and if I want to save this file into the D drive. For example, if I'm say the date number 1 Excel file, day number 1 Excel file, this is Excel workbook. I want to save this file in an Excel workbook. You can check this. This is a day number file Excel workbook. It's a save this file with the Excel workbook. You can see here day number 1 Excel file. Now this is file will be saved. Day number 1 Excel file is saved here. This is all are the border command. If I want to no border for this file, we will here the no border. The border is not available from this file. Thick box is available. Now we will change the border. All border is available. Then applicable from the thick box also. Then we can also applicable the thick box. The boxes was also available in this file. Okay, this is a very basic part in the Excel. In the next video, we will cover some basic functionality, how to write down the function, how to write down the things. We will discuss that. Thank you.